Hi guys, so the rain started. Oh my gosh, a big rainstorm came here. I can't find an umbrella, so I'm going downstairs to move the plants out into the rain. Really got a break here right now. It's so cold and nice. Cold. I love the rain. I love the rain. I'm so happy for it, for the plants, you know. Woo! Ooh. Ah. So guys, I'm here to pulling all my plants. I'm so in the rain. Push them in the rain a little bit, you know. Move all these guys here to put in the rain. Get some rain. Get some nectar of the gods. Energy, energy.